Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to fix Facebook follow limit reached problem quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Otherwise, you won't be able to access your settings or make any changes. Step 2. Next, look at the top of the screen and find your profile icon. Tap on it to open your profile section where you can view all your account details and activity. Step 3. Now scroll through the menu and find the list of people or pages you're currently following. This is important because Facebook sets a follow limit, and once it's reached, you won't be able to follow anyone new until you make space. Step 4. From here, we want to find a specific page or person that you might not be actively engaging with. Go back to the newsfeed menu, scroll through, and check out the pages you followed. Once you find one, tap on it to open the page. Step 5. Now that the page is open, look for the following button. Tap it, and then select Unfollow. This will immediately remove that page from your follow list, freeing up space in your follow limit. Now you're ready to follow a new page or per profile without running into that limit error. And that's it. By simply unfollowing one or more accounts, you've successfully fixed the Facebook follow limit reached problem. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.